how to clear Instagram cache without logout. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to clear Instagram cache without logout. Sometimes Instagram can become slow, or pictures and videos may take time to load. This usually happens because of cache files that the app keeps storing in your phone. Clearing the cache does not delete your account, your photos, or your messages. It only removes temporary files to make the app work faster. Now let's see how to clear the cache step by step. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner to make sure you're logged in. Now go back to your home screen and hold the Instagram app for a second. Then tap on the info icon to open app settings. Here you will see different options, so tap on storage and cache. Inside this section, you will see the cache size that Instagram has stored. Now tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files. After that, go back and open your phone settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, tap on See All Apps to view the complete list of applications. Then scroll down and find Instagram and tap on it. Again, tap on Storage and Cache. And here tap on Clear Cache. This will make sure the cache is fully cleared from your device. Now go back and open the Instagram application again. Then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner to check if everything is working smoothly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.